A quick feedback video to O&A. Now, as you can see, your service is one I use so frequently that I've kept it on the home screen of my smartphone. So here you go, currency converter. So now I'll just click on that and up you go. O&A currency converter. Right now I was looking for the cost of a UK visa, and as I can see that that this is the cost if I want a long-term visa and the cost in Indian rupees. Now my feedback to you would be that, let's say I go back and I've clicked here again, and if I want to change the currency which I'm looking for, here I have the option of favorites and all currencies. Okay, these are some of the currencies I've looked up recently. Now let me go to all currencies. Now this is the list of all currencies in alphabetical order. Here my feedback to you would be that I wish you had a search option so that I don't have to scroll and go through all the currencies and then figure out the one which I want to look up. And this feedback, while this thought has occurred to me previously as well, now especially in the context of British pound here, see, I somehow I have this thing in mind that it is the short form is GBP. Now the tendency is to look in, if I'm looking at alphabetically, the tendency is to look as per the alphabet. So what happened is, while I was looking for the British pound, I was looking in G. Then I found that there's only this Gambian and Georgian options in G, so I knew that it's not in G. Then I thought maybe it's in UK or it's in some other thing. Then finally I had to say that it is there over here under B, as in the British pound, but then the short form is GBP. So my feedback to you would be that instead of having this whole scrolling thing, it is quite annoying. I wish you had something like here where I can search, or maybe the all currencies is there, and at the bottom you have like a one of those magnifying tools, and there one can easily search. So that would be my feedback, because unnecessarily one wastes time in scrolling. There's no point in doing that. One might as well have a quick search, and then quick search option where I can quickly search what I'm looking for, the currency that I'm looking for, and then quickly get down to checking out the currency exchange. So that's my point. And this favorites, though I've not explored, so I won't know for certain, but it seems to just default onto the ones which I've recently searched. It's not necessarily the ones. Maybe there should be an option, like if I look for any menu, there's no other, like typically a lot of the apps, if I look at, apart from the back screen, if I look at the other screen, it often comes out with various options wherein what I can do, the other options, additional options which are available with that app. So there's nothing like that. So I'm not sure if there's any ability to configure, say, certain currencies which I typically look for. Like in my case, I would say the currency which I look for the most is US dollar versus INR, Indian rupee. That's typically the currency exchange rate which I look up practically every day. Other than that, it varies, depends on the situation, depends on the need of the hour. So off late I had been looking up, not necessarily that these are ones which I'm frequently interested in. So some can be set as ones which I'm frequently using. Other than that, if I go to all currencies, I should be able to. So that's my feedback, that I'm going on to all currencies. Let's see, let me just go back, and if I see again, it should not go back completely. There should be an option that maybe switch, change. There's only the swap option. Now I need to carefully, because I'm viewing through the camera, I may make a mistake. Yeah, but I've got it right. Now I'm on to all currencies. So there should be an option where I can quickly search and quickly get down to the currency which I want to look for. So that would be my feedback to O&A. Otherwise, happy camper over here, quite happy with the exchange rate. The way you update things, I think, is fabulous, because I always get the latest information. And otherwise the app is light, and often I need to use the app when I'm out of Wi-Fi. I'm in a 3G environment, and yet I've not faced any challenges as such. So keep up the good work, O&A. I've been using your services since very long, very long, and always been a happy camper. So I want to remain that way. Just maybe some minor things which I think you can make a difference in. Cheers.